Hi, I'm Tara Gregory. I'm the Family and Consumer Sciences Agent at Cooperative Extension here in Chatham County. And May is beef month, so I wanted to give you a quick beef recipe that you could do at home and use in many ways. So I have taken a top round cut of beef, about 4.5 pounds, quite a bit, and I've cut it into large chunks, about 3 inches. And you don't want to cut it too small because as it cooks, it's gonna shrink even smaller. And you want to keep your beef a little larger because we're gonna shred it, and you want your shredded beef to be decent-sized pieces. So I'm keeping this super simple so that we can use this beef in lots of different recipes. So I've cut the beef up. I've got 2 cups of beef broth. It's gonna go right over our beef pieces. And now that I look at it, I see that I need a little more broth. You want that broth to come up almost covering your beef so that it stays tender as it's cooking. And so I'm just gonna put this in the slow cooker for 4 to 6 hours on high. And then when it's all done, I'm gonna take it out of the liquid, shred it up with 2 forks, and then I have beef that's ready to go in tacos, beef that's ready to go in a pasta dish, beef that's ready to go on a sandwich as a barbecue beef sandwich. There's so many options. You could even do Asian inspired recipes with this beef because we've left the flavor very neutral. It's very just beef focused, and you can add the flavors you want to it depending on what recipe you're using. So with tacos, maybe you add some cumin and some chili powder. Maybe with a Asian inspired dish, you want to add soy sauce and rice wine vinegar and a mixture of spices for that dish. So lots of options here. You can also freeze in the portions you'd like to take out. So maybe a cup, 2 cup portions, you can freeze this in and pull it out on a day when you don't have time to prep for your slow cooker and wait 4 to 6 hours for it to cook. So when you place your shredded beef into a container to freeze it, add a little bit of the liquid in there to help keep it juicy and protect it from freezer burn. Thaw your beef when you're ready to use it. The best way, safest way, is to pull it out of your freezer, put it in the fridge. For about 24 hours it should thaw out, and you can heat it in a pan from frozen to thawed as well. So your choice. If you have some time, if you remember it, you can put it in your fridge, have it ready, and if you don't, you can place it in the pan and heat it up and then add it to your recipe. So enjoy your shredded beef.